The best idea would be just to go to our website where we have CallPage widget installed, basically as any website of our customer. And you may see the CallPage widget on the right-hand side corner. So let's click on the widget. And as you may see, once it pop up, in this case, we are using also the departments feature. So this allows us to distribute calls, distribute leads between certain teams. So for example, we have sales teams, customer service, technical support. So in this case, I think the best idea for us would be just to get to talk with sales team. So let's click on sales team and move forward. As you may see, now on the CallPage widget, you have four ways of contact. So the first, basically the classic callback form, callback solution. In this case, if I introduce my phone number and I click call me now, the system will generate two calls, one to rep of our team and one to me, and we will be selected in the real time within 28 seconds. Another form of contact is call me later. So in this case, I may book a call, I may schedule a call for some other time. So let's say I want to schedule for tomorrow for 9:30. And if I click call me later, the system will schedule a call for tomorrow. And tomorrow at 9:30, the call page will initiate basically the call to connect two parties in the real time. So no one has to remember about upcoming call. The system will do everything on its behalf. Third form of contact is leave a message. So as a leave a message, basically it works like a contact form or maybe some chat message. In this case, your prospects may leave you some query, leave their contact details, and they may submit you the query. So your team will receive the query, will receive the question, you may respond or get in touch with your customers. You have contact details and you have the body of the message from your potential prospect, from your customer. And the last but not least, the most important thing of today's video, the new form of contact, the new possibility to schedule a meeting. In our case, we are using meeting scheduling as a scheduling for demo with our team, as we are the software company. So we are looking to have demos with our customers. But for example, if your business does some services or some other type of product, you may just arrange some other type of event. So in this case, this is scheduling a demo form for us. And let's see how it works in action. So I'll just put my data. So my first name, my last name, I'll put also my company email. I'll put my phone number. In this case is 530-909-931. I'll put website and also select the company site. So if you may see this company website and company size, this is the additional fields. So you may add any fields you want, but in this case, we are looking to learn about website and the company size to better qualify the lead for the demo call. As I mentioned, you may put any other fields, qualification questions you need to prepare for the meeting. Also, there is information for the prospect that he will be able to select date and time on the next step. And also there is some other important information displayed for the prospect on the widget. So let's click on schedule your demo. By the way, you can also edit the body of the call to action, all the text on the widget. I'll show it later on during the configure stage. So in this case, I've been redirected to the calendar, basically to the place where I can select date and time. So maybe let me select event, I don't know, for the May 12th. I don't know, maybe let's do 2 p.m. In this case, I may just select 2 p.m. and click confirm. In this case, also really important thing that the widget is prepared for multinational business. So if you're running multinational business, when you have customers all over the world, the scheduling page will basically get the date and the time of availability of your reps, but also will adjust the timing for your prospects based on their time zone. So it's all being done automatically, which is really convenient. So I've selected the date and time, so let's click confirm. And once clicking confirm, I see that I have successfully, in really easy, simple few steps, booked a demo with someone from CallPage team. So this is Peter from CallPage team. As you may see, I have information that The demo has been booked for Friday, May 12th for 2 p.m. So this is a 30-minute event. The guests have been added as a guest for the event. So Peter is the organizer. And they also have information as a prospect that booking details will be sent to me via email. So I can also get to know familiar with that. But maybe let's have a look. How does it look from my calendar perspective? Because I've introduced my email, so I received also calendar invitation. So from calendar perspective, I already have pending event for 2 p.m. on Friday, May 12th. So let me maybe click on the event. As you may see that Peter is organizer of the event for 30 minutes. I'm the invitee, and also I may accept or decline the event. But really important thing is that the meeting link has been pre-generated and already introduced in the event automatically. So basically, if you're using some other solution like Microsoft Teams or maybe Zoom for demos, for calls, for meetings, for online meetings with your prospect, you may configure that, and the meeting link will be generated and introduced for the prospect automatically in the event, which is really convenient. So every party has the access for the call for this unique event. So that's really cool. I see that I'm the only guest. So let me maybe just accept the event to have a call from Peter from my team. So just getting back to CallPage website. So as you may see, just in simple few steps, I have managed to book a demo through the CallPage widget on the website. As I mentioned earlier, there are multiple other use cases. So basically you can use it for whatever need you have on your website to schedule events with your prospects from your website. So you may not only get a meeting scheduling, but you also allow your prospects to leave a message, book a call for later, or always, which is the perfect idea of the call page, just to get the free call back within a couple of seconds. So that's the thing. I think we can move forward to see how to configure CallPage meetings in your CallPage account on your widget. But first of all, you need just to make sure that you are having CallPage account. So if you haven't had yet sign up for the CallPage account, you can always do that from the callpage.io website by just clicking a free trial, so you can test all CallPage features to see how will it work, how will it help your business to convert more prospects from your website. So let's move forward to the configuration.